Hello, I'm John Barboza. Thanks for tuning in. It's Sunday, October 25th, 2020, and today is the first day of National Respiratory Care Week, which is celebrated every year the last week in October. This is actually a good time to be aware of respiratory care because it's also the start of the flu season. And it's also a dangerous time because of the coronavirus pandemic we're dealing with. In order for us to live on this planet, we have to be able to breathe. And when people start getting sick from the coronavirus simply by inhaling the contaminated air that we breathe, this shows us the impact of what a pandemic can do to a society. It's been a very busy and scary time for everyone around the world. The respiratory therapists who are dealing firsthand with COVID-19, healthcare workers, physicians, and the patients. There are lots of pros and cons that can be debated about what we're experiencing, but the bottom line is, if you want to stay healthy and limit yourself from getting sick, follow the simple protocols of washing your hands, limiting yourself from congregating in large groups, wearing masks, and just remembering to stay vigilant. Not long ago, we were dealing with the dangers of e-cigarettes and hearing the horror stories of vaping. And cigarettes are still being consumed despite the dangers they cause. So just be aware and remember that you only have one set of lungs, and it's important to take care of them. They are your lifeline. So take a moment to inhale deeply and fill your lungs with oxygen. And as you exhale, close your eyelids and just pay attention to your breaths as you inhale and exhale. Notice the movement of your diaphragm and the pauses in between each breath. This simple yet complex act of breathing is life-sustaining. And it's important to keep it in the best tip-top shape possible, so that if you were to get sick, you'll have a much better chance of getting healthy sooner. So pay attention to your precious breaths. When you yawn and sigh, when you deeply inhale, and when you breathe normally. Breathing keeps you alive, and it relaxes and soothes you. So breathe and relax. 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 With every breath in and every breath out. And now, take a deep breath, filling your lungs with oxygen as you open your eyes. And remember to take care of your lungs and breathe. I'm John Barboza, and I'll see you soon.